Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Ayaz. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you laptop short skills. Okay, so I have created a dedicated playlist where I will teach you laptop skills, office skills, like Excel skills, Word skills, and other skills that are necessary in freelancing. Okay, so these are the practical skills you will learn and you will earn in dollars. Okay, so I'm also teaching USA medical billing on my another YouTube channel that is Ayaz Soaring Thoughts. So you can subscribe and watch them. Okay, so I have made a lot of videos. So I am also teaching English skills as well on that YouTube channel. So on this, I have decided to create a dedicated playlist where I will teach you laptop shortcut skills, digital skills, and office skills. Okay, so this would be fruitful for all of you. So I have explained everything. So now I am going to teach you a shortcut in for a laptop. Okay, so if you want to turn off your laptop, so the shortcut key, there is a long method. You can go there and shut down your laptop. So the shortcut key is so now without wasting time, so just you need to use two keys, okay, on your laptop. So when I will press Alt plus F4 key, then this pop-up will come. So this is the shortcut to turn off your computer. So if you will press OK, then you will turn off your computer. Okay. Thank you so much. Please tap and subscribe.